Looking for the perfect domain name? Let me show you how you can easily find and secure it with expiredomains.net. Start by typing your desired domain name or keyword in the search bar to find the perfect match. See a domain you like? Add it to your favorites so you won't lose it. Later, you can go to the My Favorites section to keep track of all the domains you've saved. You can also click on Ask AI to find out why this domain could be a good choice for you. And the AI will give you a quick explanation. Here, you can see the end time, the price, how many bids the domain has received, the domain's age, and the valuation of the domain. Here, you can filter through many different criteria to find exactly what you're looking for. You can filter by price, domain age, auction type, and valuation to quickly find the domains that match your needs. In the Domain Sort section, you can sort by domain extension, domain length, and parked revenue. Just click on the domain name to proceed with the purchase.